Good morning, my name is Jametta from YSO TV. Today we are reporting from the 10th Annual Middle School After School Robotics Extravaganza at Safe School Institute in Boca Raton, Florida. There are 16 middle school after-school programs competing in the first LEGO mission, Food Factor. The first LEGO League program is designed to show kids how exciting science, technology, and engineering can be. In the 2011 Food Factor Challenge, over 200,000 9 through 16-year-olds from over 55 countries will explore the topic of food safety and examine the ways food gets contaminated. Then it's their job to create the ways to prevent these contaminants. Let's go talk to a few first LEGO League teams here in Palm Beach County and see what they have to say about robotics and this exciting Food Factor competition. What have you learned from being on your LEGO Robotics team?
I've learned that how to use the gears to make the car turn, go backwards and go faster, and how to make the attachments, like go down and go up, and pick the things up. And I've also learned how to take the software from the computer and hook it up into the NXT robot brain. And yeah, that's mostly it. I've learned a lot from that.
Thank you for your time. How long have you been involved with LEGO Robotics?
I've been involved since I was in third grade. In third grade, was actually my best year I did in robotics.
Thank you for your time. What have you learned from being on your LEGO Robotics team?
Well, I just knew that I could have some friends I could depend on, and how important teamwork is to the team, to working together, and also that it's actually real good to work with them.
What was the hardest part about preparing for this competition?
Just make sure the programs are fixed right, and seeing if the programs will run right. If they won't, there's no way you're going to be able to get the right points and everything to win. So if you win, good luck to you.
What did you like most about being on your LEGO Robotics team and building your robots?
Well, I like building attachments. They're pretty cool and weird, and getting this competition is a really cool experience.
In this Food Factor Challenge, teams have spent the past 3 months building, testing, and programming their robots. There are many judges here looking at each team's robot and design and judging how each group works together as a team and complete their task. As a judge, how do you score each team's score?
Well, each team's get 2 minutes and 30 seconds to accomplish as many missions as they can. And then, based on how many points they get, we calculate them, and that's how they get their points.
They have 14 missions, so each mission has a certain amount of points that they can get. So each time, say, they bring their fish back to base, they get a certain number of points for that. Each fish is worth 3 points. So every single time they complete a mission, they get points for that.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
What was the hardest part about preparing for this competition?
I'd have to say the hardest part about programming is you have to compensate for other things to accomplish a common goal that everybody else has, but doing it in a unique way that other people doesn't have it.
Well, the hardest part about preparing for this competition was probably building the robot and programming it, being worried about mistakes and worried that other teams may do better than you, but it's very fun.
Thank you for your time. What did you like most about building your robot?
I really like everything in the competition. This competition is a great way to show what our society can do with robots. And in the future, we can look upon these and form new ideas that will impact our society and hopefully change.
Do you think that you might be more interested in science, technology, and engineering because of participating in this program?
Yes, because you get to interact and learn how to work with things, and it just helps your brain work. And yeah.
Thank you for your time.
I learned teamwork, how to program robots, how to build robots, so it's been pretty fun doing this. I'll probably do it when I'm in 7th and 8th grade. It's actually really fun.
The goal of this Lego Leap program is to introduce kids to STEM activities that will influence their choices in high school, college, and eventually in careers in engineering and STEM fields. For more information regarding how you can join a robotics league in your school or after-school programs, go to www.palmbeachschools.org/safe-schools or call 561-982-0900. That's all from the 10th Annual Middle School After School Robotics Extravaganza at Safe Schools Institute in Boca Raton. I'm Jemena, and this has been YSO TV.